Pandas check if row exists in another data frame and append index. I'm having one problem to iterate over my data frame. The way I'm doing is taking a long time, and I don't have that many rows. I have like 300k rows. What am I trying to do? Check if one df A contains the value of two columns of the other df B. You can think of this as a multiple key field. If true, get the index of df.b and assign to one column of df.a. If false, 2 steps. A. Append to df.b the two columns not found. B. Assign the new ID to df.a. I couldn't do this one. This is my code, where df is df.a and df_id is df.b. Samplet and parented are the two columns I'm interested to check if they exist in both data frames. Real_id is the column to which I want to assign the ID of df.b, df_id. Example: df.a, df. df.b, df_id. Result. Again, this solution is very slow. I'm sure there is a better way to do this, and that's why I'm asking here. Unfortunately, this was what I got after some hours. Thanks.
You can do it this way. Data, pay attention at the index in the BDF. Solution.